Here I have HP Slate 6 VoiceTab, and let me show you how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start here by using the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it will be simply the settings, and let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys simultaneously, so let me keep holding those two keys. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just capture the screen. Alright, so if you would like to now share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with your screenshot, with your picture, let's use upper bar, and here you can tap screenshot captured. But you can also find the screenshots on your gallery, so let's tap apps icon, find here and select the gallery, and here let's open the screenshot folder. So here you can choose your screenshot, and now you can share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with your pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.